guy's single is seeking for a girlfriend.
Yeah,
so what you doing with him?
Siyayipondela nje kuphela.
Just bonding.
Yeah.
Word of the night.
Word of the night.
Say word of the night, people.
Word of the night.
Word of the night, whatever.
Whatever.
You know ithanda ngami ngona. Ekonzile
ngami. Yakho nokuthi nje uright.
Right ngona.
It's Musa, nothando.
Ngitshela ilinto uthini Kardashian nentombi yakho.
Yewaki.
Uma sibona unantshela bafethu sinibe nabahloni abenisha ama content ninje ekhanda boma. Yo, YouTube, I'm back with another one. I'm back nomlilo. I'm back ngizogqilaza. I'm back with a song konke one. Yabafethu ngiphethe word of the night. Ngiphethe umami lana sono ayinda sonenzela yonke into. Yabafethu. Ngicela nihlale nirelax nibuke ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Yeah.
It is fucking damn sticky. Hayi wena.
Chazeni. Umcheck umqalazi.
Unongishayisa nothando ngibamfana amaphela
Thando uzokwenzani manje Thando?
Ngishanga spin cake lozo. Baya ama problem Jane ndawa la ama problem.
Boyfriend Jane uzofaka phakathi kona ukuthi qaqaqa.
Plus nama China shayo karate meqoya ama problem.
Yeah.
Say hi to the YouTubers. But yeah, to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, guys. Oh, nginjina Facebook nginjani.
Njani kanti? Ntombi zami lizibe njani?
Angeke ubone ininyo zami zinjani zini.
Uma sibona unantshela bafethu sinibe nabahloni abenisha ama content ninje ekhanda boma.
Bebe namahloni. Uqinisile nithom?
Yeah, you're the
YouTuber. Nabo hayi bothom ungenza la.
Let's go, dog.
Ngiyeza man, bamba man.
Ngitshela ilinto uthini Kardashian nentombi yakho.
Yewaki wena.
Oh, that's a fact, bro. I'm gonna tell him. Like, what you doing with this girlfriend? What you doing with this guy? I know this guy is single, is seeking for a girlfriend.
Yeah,
so what you doing with him?
Siyayipondela nje kuphela.
Just bonding.
Yeah.
Since when you started bonding with this guy?
Yeah, kude kabi.
What you doing, guys? Shout out. Say hi to the YouTube.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi, YouTube.
Word of the night. Word of the night.
YouTube. Word of the night.
Say word of the night, people.
Word of the night.
Word of the night. Whatever.
Whatever.
It's whatever the word of the night.
It's whatever the word of the night.
Ngiyashuthi ngikufitirize. This is the content. Noyithandayo ngami ngona. Ekonzile ngami.
Nokuthi nje uright.
Right ngona.
It's Musa, nothando.
Into lemele bayizwa abantu even if I pass away they must know it.
Okay.
So nami ngibona ufisa ungibona ngigephi in 10 years.
Obviously, yabona 22. Yabo, unemoto eningi.
Ngithi nami ngisafethu.
Okay, sure to like and subscribe.
Correct.
Okay, sure to like and subscribe.